enough?
I will find more.
Hello there, let's look around. What's that shape we just found? It's empty now, what can we do? Let's find friends for number 2. One little block is on the floor. It looks so lonely, let's find one more. We need a pair, we need a team. The brightest blocks you've ever seen. Wait, is that 1, 2, 3? Oopsie, let's count nice and slow. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, best friends forever. 1, 2, playing together. A perfect pair, a happy crew. We love the magic of number 2. One block here and one block there. Put them together to make a pair. They fit so well, they shine so bright. Counting up to 2 feels right. 1, 2,